How to fix YouTube Shorts not appearing on your feed. Sometimes a dedicated Shorts section or tab completely vanishes from your mobile app layout. First, what you're going to do is you're going to swipe up from the bottom of your screen to bring up the app switcher and drag the YouTube app window all the way up to force close it. Reopening the app forces it to fetch a brand new layout from YouTube's live servers. So on an iPhone, another thing that you can do, the cleanest way to rub out bugs is to do an offload. So what you're going to do is you're just going to head over to your phone settings. From here, you're going to tap on general, and then you're going to tap on iPhone storage. And then here you're going to search for YouTube, or you can just tap it from the app that's right there. Next, you're going to tap on offload the app. And then from here, you can just also tap on reinstall app right after it finishes offloading. If you can't find the reinstall app from here, you can just head over to the App Store, and then you can search for YouTube from here and then just click on reinstall from this app. And then from there, you will have your YouTube back in place. Now, if YouTube Shorts is still missing, you can just go into your YouTube account. From here, going to tap on your profile, going to tap on settings, and then here you're going to click on general inside the YouTube app and make sure that your location isn't set to a country where shorts are restricted. And that's it. If you're interested, I have linked a product link down below.